Welcome to the Unity Ads Jobs. In today's digital age, where advertisements have become an integral part of our online experience, the idea of earning money by watching ads might sound like an attractive proposition. 100% instant and secure JazzCash and EasyPaisa deposit system. You don't have to wait for account activation. However, the reality of making substantial income solely by watching ads requires careful examination and consideration. Worldwide trusted advertisement network, we have choose Ilixink to provide you best services in Pakistan. Understanding the concept. The concept of making money by watching ads is rooted in the world of online advertising and marketing. First, you need registered your account here. You just follow the instruction to free sign up here. Simply you enter your name, email, contact number, and password. Advertisers are constantly seeking ways to increase their brand visibility and reach, and one approach they employ is to engage viewers with their advertisements. In this scenario, companies collaborate with platforms that promise compensation to users who engage with these ads either by watching them, clicking on them, or performing other related tasks. The promises and limitations. Several websites and apps claim that users can make money by participating in ad-watching activities. They tout the potential to earn money in the form of gift cards, cash rewards, or other incentives. Successfully registered. Now log in your account and start your earning by watching ads. While it's true that these platforms do offer some compensation, the reality is more nuanced. The compensation for watching ads is often quite low. Each ad may yield only a few cents, and accumulating a substantial amount of money through this method can be time-consuming and impractical. The number of ads available for viewing can be limited. This means that even if you're dedicated to watching ads, there might not be a consistent stream of opportunities. Some platforms require users to qualify for certain types of ads based on demographics, interests, or other factors. This can further limit the number of ads you can access. The amount of time you spend watching ads might not be proportional to the earnings you receive. In some cases, the time you invest could be better utilized in more financially rewarding endeavors. Some platforms may gather personal data and browsing habits to tailor ads to your preferences. This raises privacy concerns and might not be worth the compensation you receive. Opportunities and alternatives. While earning money by watching ads might not be a robust income source, there are alternative methods to explore. In the world of online income opportunities, making money by watching ads can provide a small amount of supplementary income, but it's unlikely to replace traditional sources of income. The time and effort you invest might not yield substantial returns compared to other more rewarding options available. If you're seeking to earn a meaningful income online, exploring alternative methods that leverage your skills, expertise, and passion will likely yield more promising results by watching ads and earn more income. Remember, while the idea of earning money effortlessly through watching ads might be enticing, it's essential to approach such opportunities with a realistic perspective and informed decision-making. The fundamental premise behind making money by watching ads is that advertisers are willing to pay for your time and attention. Advertisers strive to get their products or services in front of potential customers, and they collaborate with platforms that offer compensation to users who interact with these ads. These interactions can include watching videos, clicking on banners, or taking surveys related to the ads. The compensation for watching ads is generally quite low. The amount you earn per ad is often small, and accumulating a substantial income solely through this method can be challenging. The amount of time you need to invest to make a meaningful income can be substantial. The low earnings per ad may not justify the time spent. Ad availability might be limited, and you might not qualify for all types of ads based on your demographics and interests. This can further reduce your earning potential. While earning money by watching ads can be a way to earn a small amount of extra cash, there are alternative online opportunities that offer greater potential for sustainable income. Exploring other online opportunities that align with your skills and interests could lead to more satisfying and financially rewarding results in the long run.